Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you this mother's recipe, Kerala Mango Pickle. So it is new improved recipe and the net weight is 400 grams. All the nutritional facts has been mentioned over here. Apart from that, it's a product of India. And what else? Nothing much, so let's not waste time. Mother's is a very well known brand of Indian product. So this is how, my god, thank god it's not too tight. So the oil in Indian pickles, there will be a lots of oil so that it is preserved, and this is how it looks. I can't wait to dig into it. This mango pickle is amazing. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care.